Here's a close-up look at this pack of greenery stems. So this has 8 different types of plants, flowers here. You get 75 pieces in total. So there's some like roses, some lavender, baby's breath, eucalyptus, etc. As you can see there. So you can see here they are, let's see, this is what the stems look like. They're pretty nice and long. You can make all different types of flower arrangements. They are adjustable. You can bend them however you like. You can cut them as well. Let's see. Yeah, these are all bendable, so you can do whatever you like with them. So adjustable in any way you want. Organize them, put them together with some other flowers as well to make nice bouquets. So it's going to be really nice for decorating for your formal event, wedding, etc. So yeah, they look really nice actually. So yeah, if you are in need of some really nice flowers, they make really nice bouquets. They're going to last forever, of course. So yeah, definitely check these out.